In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a database in Cloudways. If you recently moved from a traditional cPanel host, you may be looking around for phpMyAdmin. On Cloudways, the experience is a little different. Instead of sending you to a separate old-style panel, Cloudways gives you a built-in database manager that lets you work with your database directly from the platform. It's faster, simpler, and usually more convenient for day-to-day tasks like checking tables, running queries, or exporting a backup. To get started, open your browser and sign in to the Cloudways platform. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Applications tab in the top navigation. This is where Cloudways lists all of your active websites and web applications. From here, choose the exact application you want to work on. As soon as you open it, you'll land in the Application Management area, where the settings and tools for that specific project are organized in the sidebar. Next, find and open Access Details. In this section, look for the Database Access area. Here, Cloudways shows the database name, the username, and the password associated with that application. In most cases, you won't need to manually copy anything just to get inside. Simply click Launch Database Manager. Cloudways will open the database tool in your browser and handle the secure access process for you automatically. Once the database manager loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. On the left side, you'll see your database tables listed clearly. If your site runs on WordPress, some of the names may look familiar, such as the options, users, and posts tables. Across the top, you'll find useful tools for working with the database. For example, you can open the SQL command area if you need to run a query, or use export if you want to download a database backup file to your computer. It's a good idea to export a backup before making major changes. If you prefer using a desktop database client instead of a browser, Cloudways also supports remote access. Go back to your application panel and open MySQL client from the sidebar. Add your own IP address to the allowed list so Cloudways can permit the connection. After that, you can use a desktop tool such as TablePlus, dbeaver, or SQL Ace and connect with the server's public IP, your database username, your password, and port 3306. Before you finish, do a quick safety check. Make sure you're in the correct database, confirm the tables look normal, and review any active queries or recent changes carefully. That way, you reduce the risk of editing the wrong data or missing a problem before logging out. That's it. You now know how to access and work with your Cloudways database confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.